Good morning. Today we're going to hook up the box scraper. Not the big daddy of the box scrapers. Those are already hooked up. We're going to hook up the medium duty 12-footer, which actually I already have. If you blink, you can miss it. So it's hooked up to repair my driveway and road, because we're done with the snow now. And what else do we have going on? Oh, I destroyed the side ditch lawn by getting a truck, tractor, trailer, excavator unstuck. And I think it's dry enough now to fix that part of my lawn. Come along with as I decide what to do today. A couple of projects I'm working on, and so I'll just bring you guys along, my camera, and just film what we are doing. Have the side tilt in case I want to put a little bit of crown on the road. I probably will use auto steer in this 8530. Wonderful tractor. As you can see, we were parked nice and neat on frozen ground. 2 semi-trucks. I think I might leave the Volvo out there until it dries out a bit more before I try to rescue that truck and trailer and load a couple cars onto it. So we will use our IVT, infinitely variable transmission, to knock down some of these blocks. And yeah, it was a fun pull, but we got it. So we'll just knock this down, let it dry out a little more, just feather it in and repair the grass. I'm sure it'll grow again. Ooh, it's still kind of wet out here. We had defrosting snowflakes, snowdrift, continuing to fill these tracks, make them hard to recover. I should have the pivot track closer maybe for this job. No, this is working really pretty good. Even in the wet stuff, we will back drag some of this. It'll dry out again today and we will come back. Oh, see? One swipe and it's already almost fixed. Now we will do the road maintenance. Maintaining the road with auto steer. Let's see if we can get a signal and a line. Have I paid my bill? We'll see if this works. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to listen to music as we go along? What I'm going to do on this dusty controller is nudge to the right a few inches to grab that edge. Feels like I'm making a nice crown. Almost got it with this drag. Could maybe do one more. Look at that chunk of dirt knocked out of the way. That's when I had a muddy mud flap and loosened all of the dirt in between the duals of the semi-truck. Now we are in good shape. There's one car that I've got to get rid of. It's for sale. The 5-ton truck. Will it start? I feel like the batteries are pretty low. Get to move the 5-ton. We'll have to get warmed up. All right, time to switch buckets on the Kubota tractor, and it's kind of like the skid steer. You have these 2 buttons here, so you hold the unlock and then press that button to the right of it, and it will unlock these dogs. Just like so, and then you lower the bucket and back out. Then we will come over to the forks and reverse the operation. All right, like that. They're going down in, and I will try to show you where those babies are. Right in there. There, they fit all the way in there. You want to make sure those are hooked. Oh, get out of here. Hey, somebody needs to clean my windshield. Maybe I do. Anyway, go ahead and run your forks like that to make sure they don't fall off. Then we should be in good shape. Here's the joystick that runs the operation. Bucket up, down, just like so.
Get a helmet.
It's like this sharp. I'd put a helmet on.
Yeah, how's that looking?
That's perfect.
If I sit down. If I'm sitting, I'm Ethan, I'm driving,
Yeah, you're
I'm
in
going.
frame. Ethan's reaction, that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, good? Okay.
Where'd you get the tires to pump up?
I took them to co-op.
Do they fall
Sit.
holes?
No, they're good. They're good. Welcome back to the farm. I forgot I was filming content today. Had too much fun with the boys, helping them with content. We'll make one run, see if we can get up to the ranch. And would you guys add a little bit of oil on that? Oh, this is going to be difficult. This is a challenge. We will get some oil in this puppy and then fire it up and head to the ranch. Okay.